everybody, welcome to She Found It. Hello, welcome. If you are a new follower, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. It is a hot day here today. My hair is so frizzy, like, oh my god, I can't even handle it. I just want to start off by saying, if you watched my last video, if you didn't watch it, I'll put it right here. Please check it out. I had an overwhelmingly positive response to this video. I just had so many kind words and people were so supportive of that, and from the bottom of my heart, honestly, like, it meant so much to me, A, to put the video out, and B, just to have it be received so well. So if you haven't checked it out, please check it out. Let me know your thoughts. I will continue to produce videos that are informative, that are personal, on top of, you know, the fun content. Like I said, I do want to give as much of myself as I possibly can to you guys so that you can get to know me better. So getting right into this, so initially I saw Danielle Bernstein's DIY. She did a men's fleece outfit, pants and sweater. This was like a little while back, and I was like, damn, like, that's really nice. I want to make it. So I bought the same color, which was sandstone, and I tried it on a men's white shirt, a bralette, and some little long johns, because I couldn't find anything white that I wanted to dye anywhere. So I got this stuff from Lens Mill store, which is a fabric store. They have a bunch of clothes. So I got that. And then I also decided that I was going to do a bleach DIY. So I bleached some black underwear and a black bra, and I tried to do a pair of socks, but the socks didn't take the bleach, which was so weird. I don't know what material they were made out of, but it did not take. So let's just get right into this, because I know that you came here to watch this video and see how I achieved the results that I did. So let's go.
So these are the items I decided to tie dye. Both the white and black bralette came in a 2-pack, so I did 2 different styles, and I also got a men's white tee in a size large. I got a drop sheet from the dollar store, some rubber gloves, rubber bands in a squeeze bottle, and synthetic dye in sandstone, as well as bleach. So no matter where you dye, you want to make sure that you are protecting that area and protecting your hands, so make sure that you wear gloves. I measured out equal parts water and bleach, and then I pretty much just eyeballed the dye. I was surprised at how thick the dye was. I thought it was going to be a lot thinner, so I just added some more and hoped for the best. There really was no specific measuring method for this. I am using just a standard size squeeze bottle, so you can see here just how much I put in. It's mostly bleach and water. So the pants and the shirt I singed differently. You can see here I'm just tying it into these like little balls, but it didn't really change the outcome of how the dye pattern looked. It did look pretty similar on both the pants and the shirt, so I don't think it really mattered for this one. They just look like little nubs. Then I just balled everything together. The shirt, I decided that I was going to try to twist it before I did the nubs, because I kind of wanted a circular pattern, but it didn't turn out that way, but it didn't turn out bad. So I think the nubs really just had more to do with the way that the shirt and the pants turned out. And then I just tied it again and balled it up. And as you can see here, you can see the dye changed color after it sat for a bit, probably because of the bleach. I think the reason why my pattern turned out so light was because I put probably too much bleach in it. I think if I was to do it again, I'd add less bleach and more water just so it was a little bit darker. I did do a second round of mixing just water and dye to get some darker spots on the whites. For the blacks, I just did a little bit of bleach and water, and I just sprayed it all over the clothes. I balled them the same way I did the pants, and you can see here the bleach is hitting it and it's just changing immediately, which I loved watching that, you know, reaction happen. Then on this bralette, I didn't scrunch it at all. I just sprayed all around it to kind of give it a different effect. And then for this white bralette, I actually had some blue dye, so I just splatter sprayed the bralette to see how it would turn out. I put too much bleach in it though, so it kind of went a little bit yellow. But nonetheless, here are the results. I really like how this sandstone pattern turned out. It was so cute, very light, very subtle, but it turned out so nice. No big deal, there's just my butt. Bounce, wow, wow. I have to admit though, my absolute favorite was the bra and underwear set. I loved how the bleach turned on the underwear and the bra. I think it just looks so cute and kind of like galaxy star type situation going on here. I don't know, but I really, really like it. Not a huge fan of the misted blue or the misted bleach, but they're still cute, so I'll rock them under a t-shirt or something like that. It's no big deal. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I've got some more DIY projects on the go, so make sure you subscribe, follow, comment below, and have a great day. Bye.